Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire from Leading LED Tech. Today we are in our factory aging area, checking our grid serials S20, S30, and S40 outdoor transparent display. This is a traditional outdoor transparent LED display. It keeps high transparency and airflow, making it suitable for building facades, outdoor advertising, stage backgrounds, and creative rental projects. The cabinet uses a precision CNC die-cast LumaBlend structure. It is light, thin, which helps improve flatness, installation efficiency, and long-term durability. For rental applications, the quick lock system, positioning pins, and aviation power, and signal connectors make installation faster, cleaner, and safer. The series supports high brightness, about 4,500 nits and 3,840 Hz refresh rate, giving smooth and clear visuals for outdoor viewing and camera shooting. S20 and S30 are designed for creative shapes. With adjustable curve locks, the screen can create inner and outer curves. The 45-cut cabinet can be used for 90-degree corner screens, cube-style displays, and liquid eye 3D applications. Maintenance can be done from the front or the rear, depending on the project structure. Modules and power boxes are designed for quick service, helping reduce downtime on site. This same product platform can be used hanging, stacking, and fixed installation. This gives product owners and rental companies more flexibility with one display system. Before shipment, every screen goes through aging and inspection, which check display performance, cabinet alignment, power and signal connections, waterproof details, and accessories to make sure the screen is ready for outdoor projects.